Okay, we're kicking down the new year here, and we're having quite a party.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
All right, we've got the Chainsaw Fight Boys on the line from Las Vegas.
What's up?
And let me see. Who else do we have on the line here? I see Vince.
Daniel.
Hi, Daniel.
Huh?
So nice
What's
to
up,
hear
Daniel?
from you. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year to you.
Thank you. Well, we're kicking
Also
it down
Wally.
here.
Also,
We
Wally
got-
from Chainsaw Fight.
Hi, Wally. How you
Hello.
doing tonight?
Good.
All right. Well,
Good.
here's a chainsaw fight for all you guys to listen to. You and your friends. Woohoo! What would we do without friends?
Messenger of God, you told me to stay here. Cursed.
Hi, Wally. What were you going to say?
I was telling Ralph to shut up.
Poor Ralph. Everybody's always so mean to poor Ralph. My goodness.
Oh, he's like, I'm the messenger of doom, blah, blah, blah.
We're outside looking at fireworks off the strip. We're not on the strip.
Nice,
yeah,
nice.
because we're Vegas locals, so we stay the fuck away from the strip.
Oh, there. No,
hey, guess what?
Oh, there we go.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year.
Hey.
Well, I see Daniel.
man.
Daniel is with us. He engineered the very first video that we ever put up on Mystic Records, and I want to thank you, Daniel, for all you've done this last year and all your dedication and work. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you so much. It was a blast. It was really cool working with Al and the guys.
Thank you so much. And You know, we've got the
Daniel.
Chainsaw Fight boys here from Las Vegas, and I was just playing some of their songs, and that last one's one of my favorites. Pretty good song.
That badass.
Yeah, they're
Oh, thank you.
they're one of our number one bands right now on the label, and they're really kicking some booty.
That we appreciate
Sweet.
that.
Oh yeah, and you know, I just love this. Where is it? I gotta find it. Woldman. Hey, you guys could do it. You guys could do it live for me. Come on, it's only 19 seconds.
Okay. All right.
Kick him in the nards. Kick him in the nards.
Woman have Nards. Do it. Do it. Woman got Nards.
Fuck yeah.
Well, you know.
I'm always glad I get to laugh, because that's what I'm going for.
I don't know. That's one of my favorite movies of all time, right there. That's badass.
I'm glad people get that.
Sing song is Honey, I'll go home. Yeah.
Yeah! Love it. Love it. All right, boys. See you next time.